daily convenience and optimal security. The Qrio Smart Lock was designed with this in mind. Installing the Qrio Smart Lock is fast and super easy. Just attach the device onto your door and over your door lock with the adhesive pad. The included bolt turner ensures the Qrio Smart Lock works on most doors, even if the device doesn't fit perfectly onto your lock. Users in Japan are raving about the Smart Lock's simple installation. And today, the Qrio Smart Lock is the most successful smart lock in Japan. The makers of the Qrio Smart Lock are hard at work, designing new adapters to fit most door types in the West. The main unit features a durable mechanical design and uses proven robotics technology developed by Sony. Qrio uses advanced encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to ensure the highest possible level of security. Plus, Qrio Smart Lock creates a log of every time your door lock is opened or closed, even by hand. With the Qrio Hub, users are alerted whenever the Qrio Smart Lock is manipulated. No matter where you are, you'll always know your door is safe and secure. You can even share temporary digital keys and scheduled keys, and you can disable a shared key at any time. Operate your smart lock with smartwatches, an Android phone widget, and set an auto unlock when you approach your door. Convenient, reliable, and simple to install. Want the Qrio Smart Lock in your home? We're waiting for your order.